Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the project with the correct frame rate and resolution, so your edits match delivery specs. Once done, import or link media using AMA for large files and organize bins by scene or camera to avoid chaos. Make sure audio sample rates match. Sync clips with timecode or waveform now so you won't chase sync issues later. These early choices save time. They determine your timeline behavior and render needs. You'll assemble your sequence using the source and record monitors. Set clean in and out points and perform 3-point edits for precision. Once clips are on the timeline, use track targeting and sync locks to control which tracks receive edits. This keeps audio and picture aligned. Then perform trims, roll, ripple, slip, to tighten timing, and add dissolves or trims for pacing. Apply a primary color pass and render short segments as you go to maintain real-time playback. These steps shape your narrative flow. You finish by consolidating edits and rendering effects so playback is smooth during final checks. Then perform a proper audio mix, normalize, balance tracks, and check loudness targets before export. Export directly from Media Composer or create an AAF/OMF for mastering if others will finish the file. Finally, perform a full quality control pass, watch end-to-end, verify color and frame rate, and check for dropped frames. If playback stutters, clear media cache and relink consolidated files. That usually fixes corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.